I've made a circle out of masking tape before for covered the moon. Use purple, cobalt blue, and sky blue for the skies. Start blend from the letters of the shaker. Take up the tape. Use white and cobalt blue to make one. Blend with finger. Use cobalt blue, sky blue, and white for make a snow mountain. Blend with finger. Use black color pencil to draw shadow on the snow mountain and draw shadow tree. Then it's kinda hard to draw a picture with it, so I go with black oil pastel to draw the tree and shadow. Blend shadow with cotton buds. Use black color pencil to fix the tree. And then make a star from what is that? Forgot the name. Correcting pen. Make star with it and snow. Start from the top to the bottom. Make a zigzag. Take up the tape. Then